Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fix easy anti-cheat not installed in Fortnite. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First thing you should do is to open your Epic Games launcher, then go to library and search for Fortnite in order to open its file location. So right click on the game, then go to manage. And here, as you can see, you have the installation partition right here. Click on this icon, and as you can see, it will open the game folder. And now after opening the game folder, you have to turn off the Epic Games launcher. And to do that, you should go to this arrow right here, click on it, left click, then right click on Epic Games launcher icon, then click on exit. Now after that, go to Fortnite game, then binaries, then Win64, and as you can see here, you have this folder right here, easy anti-cheat. Double click on it, and what you can do now is to right click on this icon right here, then click on create shortcut. You can also right click on it and click on send to, then click on desktop in order to create another shortcut on the desktop, but you should put this icon or this shortcut inside the file itself in order to open. Now go back to the folder and right click on this new shortcut that we have made, then click on properties. Then as you can see here, you have in the target partition this sentence right here. You should go to the end of this sentence. After this sign right here, you should click on space, then type repair. And after typing repair, click on apply, then click on OK. Now click on this shortcut, double click, and it will show you on the user control panel. Click on yes, and congratulations, now you have fixed the issue. Now you can go and open Epic Games and try to launch Fortnite, and the issue will be fixed. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.